Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be over here. It's a wonderful, uh, city central place, and it's a really absolutely, it's a very well organized. People there are, I can see them, they're very disciplined, and everything is very well organized over here. And I would say this is a good sign for the prosperity and uh, for uh, for the democracy. And when the things are organized, and when the rule of law is there, and people they obey the rule of law, they are with the law, they work under the system, they work with the system, and it helps in strengthening of democracy, and it also brings peace and prosperity. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. It is really, once again, I say it was my pleasure to be over here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It was my pleasure to be over here and answer your these questions. Thank you. Thank you very much.